'cause she's so high, high above me. She's so lovely, she's so high, Cleopatra, Joan of Arc, or Aphrodite.